Hey guys, I'm Monique and today I'm going to show you how to make Christmas decorations using pool noodles. Now let's get started. So first I'm going to make my shape using my two noodles here. You don't have to be fussy about colour because they're going to end up covered anyway. I'm going to use this cloth tape here and we're going to join our two noodles together. So now that we've formed our shape, we're going to be covering our wreath in ribbon. You can use any ribbon that you like, but today we've decided to go for a nice earthy tone, and we're going to use this ribbon to wrap all the way around. So when you reach the end of your ribbon, we're going to use a bit of the cloth tape we used to secure the noodles together. Now that we've fully covered our wreath, it's time to decorate. We're going to be using some artificial ivy today, but you can use anything in your garden. We've gone with the artificial option because it's going to last the whole Christmas season. Once you're happy with the design of your wreath, you can leave it there, but we're going to be a little bit more festive and add some final touches to ours. We're going to go and use some battery-operated festive lights, and we're going to use a bow. We ended up using 2 packets of battery-operated lights, so the very ends here we've tied together in a knot at the very top, and then we're going to use our cloth tape again to secure the battery packs to evenly distribute the weight at the bottom. How easy was that? Now that we've finished making our Christmas wreath, I'm going to show you how to make some Christmas lollipops. To start our lollipops, we're going to be using our cloth tape here, and we're going to wrap it around one of our pool noodles to create that candy swirl. Our next step is to form our candy shape. To do this, we're going to take our noodle and roll it into shape and then secure it with the wire. This step is a little bit tricky, so you may require an extra pair of hands. Now that we've made our candy piece, we're going to go ahead and make our lollipop stick. To do that, we've used a pool noodle, but we've shortened it. You can use any height that you like, and we're going to secure them together with some wire. And there you have it, 2 quick Christmas decorations. It's that easy. If you like this video, be sure to give us a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this one.